Hi, this is Earth Parts Doctor, and today we're going to remove the pressure from replacing the pressure hose on your Whirlpool washer. Note that these instructions also apply to some other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new pressure hose for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The washing machine's pressure sensor hose connects the pressure sensor to the tub. As the tub fills with water, the pressure builds in this hose. This pressure allows the pressure sensor to monitor the water level inside of the tub of the washer. The washer uses this to fill with the proper amount of water. Some washers also use this information to determine when the washer has fully drained during the drain cycle. If the pressure sensor hose is damaged, kinked, or clogged, the washer may overfill or underfill with water. Additionally, this can lead to an error code related to filling, not filling, or draining. For this repair, disconnect power and water to the washer. When working inside the washer, be careful as it has sharp edges. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove these 3 screws on the back of the washer. Then, pull the harness cover away from the washer and set it aside for later. Open the washer's lid. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently depress the hinge on the right side of the washer as you lift the lid. Then, slide the lid to the right as you lift to remove it. 2 clips hold the console assembly to the washer. Looking through the slot that the door sits in, depress one of them using a flathead screwdriver while lifting on the console to free that side. Then, repeat the process with the other clip. Next, lift the console assembly and rotate the top forward, being careful as it is still connected by an electrical connector. Then, disconnect the encoder boards. Then, remove the pressure hose from the main control board. Then, on the back of the washer, remove the screw holding the hose assembly to the back panel. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently depress the retained tab on the hose assembly and press it through the back panel. Then, using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 7 screws holding the back panel in place. Gently lean the back panel back away from the washer until you are able to lift it up and off. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry open this clip holding the lower wiring harness and hose in place. Then, take a picture of the back of the washer to reference when reinstalling the tape. Next, gently pull the hose off of the outer basket. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry here on the clip securing the hose to the outer basket. Next, remove the tape holding the clip to the pressure hose. Then, remove the clip from the hose. Then, remove the 2 guards from the hose. When undoing the tape, make sure to leave it connected to the wiring harness to reuse it when installing the new hose. If you cannot reuse the tape, take note of the location to re-secure the hose later. Then, pull the hose free from the washer. If you need to purchase a new pressure hose, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. Before installing the hose, you will want to lay the old hose and new hose side by side. If the new hose is longer than the old hose, you will want to cut it down to the same size as the original hose. Make sure the hose is cut cleanly and straight. To install, connect one end of the hose to the main control board. Ensure that you have fully connected the pressure hose to prevent any leaks. Now feed the hose through the back of the washer. Then firmly attach the other side of the hose to the outer tub of the washer. Then reattach the hose clip to the pressure hose. Make sure that the clip can hold the hose to the outer basket without kinking it. Then secure it to the hose using tape and reattach it to the basket. Then reattach the hose to the wiring harness using the tape. If the tape does not hold the hose in place, you will need to use new tape to secure it in place. Then install both of the hose guards so that the hose does not rub against the basket or the back panel. Then align the wiring harness and the pressure hose to this clip and press it closed. Align the back panel to the back of the washer at an angle so that the bottom retainers slide onto the frame of the washer. Then grab the hose assembly and align the lip on the bottom of it to the back panel. Next, pull it forward until the retaining clip snaps into place. Then reinstall the screw. Then reinstall the 7 screws holding the back panel in place. Then connect the encoder board to the main control board. Next, align the console to the washer and push into place. Reinstall the screws and the harness cover. Next, align the hinge on the lid to the slot on the washer. Then, press the hinge on the right side and slide the lid into place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.